so I got distracted earlier by the tour bus and these guys peeling out their tires for the tourists. Good show though, I love it. Okay, so we're talking about the Honolulu Police Department accident. What had happened was 3 riders went down. It was raining. There was oil on the ground because, as you know, when it rains, the water, the oil that's in the ground from cars dripping, the oil that drips off of cars surfaces, and it creates a little thin film of oil. Well, 3 motorcyclists went down. 2 of them are critical, and as of late, very recently, one of them lost his leg. They couldn't rescue it, so that's what happened. It's a real shame, I tell you. Okay, I'm gonna cut in front of these guys. Okay. Yeah, that's a real bad news here. Oh shit. Okay, so here's the Old Nuuanu Pali Road. Let's stop.